Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. It's currently 7:32. Let's take a look at today's top stories, and we're going to start with breaking news this morning out of Cherokee County, Kansas. Authorities say 2 inmates escaped from the jail there overnight. Police are looking for Michael Martsolf and Mark Hopkins II. Martsolf was behind bars for a double homicide and Hopkins for drug-related crimes. Officials say they escaped from the Cherokee County Jail in Columbus around 11 p.m. Police say the suspects may be in this white Honda Accord. It does have a Missouri license plate, that plate number LG2XOF. Both are considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on their location, authorities are asking you to call 911 or the Cherokee County Sheriff's Office. Again, that license plate number in this white Honda Accord, LG2XOF.